Lots and lots of jobs are in retail across Illinois. It's important that we preserve those jobs and grow those jobs. We're very grateful to our merchants who bring us the lowest prices possible and quality goods. We want to make sure that continues and find people who work here get an opportunity to grow in their job, and hopefully there'll be more retail jobs in Illinois. Last year we had a year where we created more jobs in Illinois than any other state in the Midwest by far. We were fourth highest in the nation at job creation. We know we have a long way to go. We reduced our unemployment rate last year. We must do so again this year, and part of doing that is to have a robust consumer economy. We want consumers shopping. We want them with some money in their pockets to buy goods and services they need for their families. So it's very important that we really help our consumer economy, help the Illinois economy grow and create jobs. That's why we're here today. We are having to deal with organized retail crime. It's unfortunately something that affects our state and other states all over the country. Organized crime, where large amounts of goods are stolen through fraud or thievery, can cost all of us a great deal of money. It costs our merchants, obviously, but it also costs our taxpayers and money that isn't properly paid in sales tax.
This past fall, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office became the first prosecutor's office in the nation to take a leading role in a partnership with police and private sector retailers to increase the investigation and prosecution of large-scale organized retail theft and fencing in the Chicago metropolitan area. With the creation of the Cook County Regional Organized Crime Task Force, we began a unique effort to bring law enforcement and retailers together to share information and prevent organized retail theft and the fencing of stolen goods. Since we formed the task force, more than 120 federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies have joined us. In addition, more than 60 private corporations, including retailers and financial institutions, have signed on as well. The task force operates a secure website to share intelligence information for all members, and already we have had law enforcement members from Iowa, Indiana, and Wisconsin represented, as well as the cities of Rockford and Normal here in Illinois. Through the website and in our ongoing coordination, there have been numerous identifications and arrests of criminal boosters and fencing crews working in the greater Cook County area. There have also been a number of long-term investigations that have developed directly from the information generated through our partnerships. While most of us don't hear about cases of organized retail theft in daily news reports, make no mistake that this crime is a serious problem, and it has a direct impact on consumers at many different levels. This includes driving up consumer prices and presenting potential dangers to consumer health and safety. The crime also causes an extensive loss of much-needed sales tax revenues in the county and in the state. In addition to sharing information and increasing the arrest and prosecution of organized retail theft, another goal of our task force was to review Illinois statutes in this area to see if we could recommend changes to strengthen existing laws. And the bill that the governor will sign here today does just that. As the governor stated, House Bill 6460 contains language that will help law enforcement target complex retail theft and fencing operations by imposing stronger criminal penalties. It also contains forfeiture provisions that will enable us to divest these illegal fencing rings of their illicit funding sources. The statute also improves investigations of these cases by allowing undercover agents to conduct effective sting operations. We are at the beginning of a new, more focused and coordinated crackdown on retail theft here in Cook County, and this law is going to assist us greatly as we move forward.
It's a very important law to help save money for taxpayers, for merchants, and for all of us. It'll help us create jobs and maintain jobs. It'll also make sure that the law is upheld. And I think that's very, very important, that we make sure that the law comes first in Illinois and everywhere else in this country. That's when we go, and this is the law now of Illinois. We're very happy with it.